Wi-Fi UK just finished an installation in this 4-story many rooms house in Chislehurst in Surrey. So the issue we had here was there's TP-Link Wi-Fi extenders in certain floors, but after a while it drops out, it doesn't work properly. So now we're going to demonstrate using our crucial garden test how powerful the mesh Wi-Fi is using Wi-Fi UK system with a video on Netflix, and we're going to work with Good Girls today in full HD. And this time we're going to push it all the way to the top to 4K, and we're going to hit play. Got video running, and come with me. And we've got a little secret area around here. Whoa! Video's still running in full HD, and the house is all the way over there. And this is only available at Wi-Fi UK.